Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video we are going to make REST service using Spring Boot. Let's go to start.spring.io and select our project style, GBA and REST repository, and click generate. It will download the file with generated project. Let's import it as existing Maven project. Spring Boot help you to make standalone application with minimal configuration. So let's now open application.java and create our entity with name item here with two attributes. One is ID as long and the other one is name as string. And let's create getters and setters and add annotations required for GBA entity ID and generated value to generate the ID with the strategy as auto. We are going to use Spring Data project now. So we are creating item repository as interface and call it item repo. It will extend CRUD repository with item type and ID is long. And let's annotate this item repo with REST resource. To make it work, we have to import REST resource configuration. Okay, and now we have to add embedded database dependency. We are going to use H2 database. Now let's add servlet to access this database from web interface. To be sure that our REST service is working properly. Here we are using embedded database for the demo, but you can configure production database easily using Spring Boot in application.properties, just 4 lines configuration. Okay, now we can run our application as Spring Boot app. It could be generated as jar file and run it. Let's now test our REST service. Okay, there is one resource called items and it's empty. Let's create one resource as new item. Okay, it will be failed because we didn't mention the content type. Let's add the content type as application JSON. It should be created now. Okay, it's created with ID 1. Let's go to database and check if it's already inserted. Okay, let's make select for item. And we have to get yeah, this is new item. Let's create another one as new item 2 and check if it will be reflected on REST service or not. Okay, now it's reflected. We have item 2. Okay, let's delete it to check the delete function. And by calling get, you have to get nothing. Okay, now the items just have one item. Okay, let's create another one. It will be created with ID 3, I think. Okay, thank you for watching this video and feel free to ask me any question you have.